Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to move Windows applications to another drive in Windows 11. Firstly click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Now here guys, click on this three dot, then click on More. Now select your drive from this list, then again click on More. So this is the easy and quick way to move one application from one drive to another drive. So this is the easy and quick way to move drive in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Some applications will be moved and in some applications you will not option. So find out application which is movable. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. And this setting and this way guys you can move Windows applications to another drive in Windows 11.